Hey everyone, it's CL. So for today's video, I have an unboxing for you of an online auction from a Goodwill auction. Because I've been wanting to try like different things, like I mostly sell clothes, but I'm trying to branch out and like put like a variety of different things in my closet. So I purchased a box of non-clothing. Like, I mean, I think there might be some belts, but I think it's more like headwear and accessories. It's more accessories. So I purchased this box here for $30 with shipping because I wanted to try it out, and it's something that I actually was interested in. But after I won the auction, you know when you win the auction, you kind of look at the pictures a little bit more closely. You're like, how many things am I getting? Like, I don't think I got a lot of things, and maybe I was confused with the picture whether or not like what I was seeing, because the pictures aren't really great on the Goodwill auction site, but it's something that I wanted to try. And it was listed for like $20. I think I was the only bidder, and I ended up winning, and the shipping was $10. So they really kill you with the shipping, but I knew exactly what I was getting into. They always say when you do Goodwill auction, always look at what the shipping will cost you. I already did that. I did my research and I estimated the shipping. I knew it was going to be in the $10 range, and I was okay with that because I wanted to try this box. This isn't more so me making a profit. This is more me trying it, trying these things, listing them in my closet. Will they sell? It will give me like an idea, like, does accessories sell in my closet? So it's just something that I wanted to try. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. You can hear it jingling, and we're gonna go from there. And the shipping time was really, really quick. I'm not sure whether it's shipped from, oh, never mind. The reason why it shipped so quickly was because it's from California and I live in California. Why that shipping is $10 is beyond me, but you know, they're out to make money, which I understand. What they do with that money, I don't understand, but I don't really, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and let's see what we got. Packing label. Oh wow. And I got a bag of accessories. It looks like a lot, but I think it's because it's like wrapped around itself. I know for sure I got one belt and one headdress. I don't know what is it called a headdress? I don't know what it's called. And we'll see, we'll go from there. So what is in this bag of goodies? There's actually a few more auctions that I have my eye on. I think the key with Goodwill is that all the things like jewelry and really good labeled clothes, those always have a lot of bidders. You kind of have to search for the things that are worded in a non-specific way so there are no bidders. So that's what I try to do. Oh my gosh. This is all tangled. Okay, so right away we have a tangled mess. I'm gonna have fun kind of untangling this, so. I am so confused. What is happening? Like, what is this? I'm so confused with what this is. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to turn off the camera and untangle some of these because I'm not understanding like what I'm seeing here. Is this a belt? Is this a headdress? Is this all attached together? Like, what is this? Be right back. All right, so I'm just gonna show you things as I managed to untangle them. So the first thing I managed to untangle is this belt here. I think this is actually a really cute belt. But the clasp is just this hook. You put it over the chain, and I would be a little bit worried that this would unhook itself as you were walking unless it was like really snug. So that is interesting. So it's this belt here. I do see some flaws. Like, if you look closely at this little gem here, well, I'm not sure what this is, this plastic gem. Underneath it, you can see that it's like worn, like this one. This one here has like cracks. I think it's cute enough to sell for a cheaper price. This does say made in Taiwan. It does feel like lower quality as far as like the chain, but I think it's cute enough that if you wanted like a cheap accessory to dress up your outfit a little bit, I think someone will definitely buy this. So I'm going to list this on my Poshmark, probably start at 15 and kind of offer a discount. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this next item is actually what caught my eye. I actually purchased this bundle because of this item, and this is the little headdress that was there. I think this is so pretty. Put it on your head. I'm not gonna put it on mine because I need to clean it first. And it's beautiful. I just think this is so beautiful. And it feels heavy. It doesn't feel like you got it off like wish.com. It actually feels like a nice weight, but not heavy enough to where you're gonna be hurting your neck. But I just think this is so pretty. Like, for those people that want to be extra, be wearing this little headdress to a party. I don't know, I think it's beautiful. And I'm not sure, is this like for, it must be for any occasion. I was like, is this just for Halloween? No. So I'm really liking this. I will put this in my closet right away. And behind it, it does have a chain. Oh, I am noticing that the chain is broken. So I will have to mark that in my listing because I'm not gonna fix it. No, I'm not gonna fix it. All right, so the next thing out of the bag is another belt. And it is this lion, it's like a lion. It looks like a lion on each of these little tiles here. And it's a belt, it looks cute. It feels like good quality. Like the other one felt like really light, like it was made in China. And this one feels like better quality. It feels heavier, it has a nice chain. The chain in the back is, the clasp in the back is better quality than the other one in the sense it won't fall off of you as you're walking. Like it's this little clasp here. So I'm really liking that. And I'm trying to see if I can find any sort of label. And I can't find any sort of label, but I do like this one a lot. I mean, I'm very happy with what I received. Very cute. Okay, so this last item I received, I'm so confused like what it is. But we're gonna try. We're gonna try. So this one is, I wanna say it's a belt, okay? It's this here. I think it's really pretty as far as this. I think someone will really like it. It has chains on the bottom and it jingles as you walk. I mean, I think it's really pretty. But the thing is, here is attached like this long thing. And I don't know what this is. Like, what is this? If this goes around your waist, if this part goes around your waist, what is this part? Like, I don't understand. And I might end up taking this off because I don't get it. Is this supposed to go around your neck? What is this? I'm confused. The belt itself and the chains are very cute. I will most likely end up taking this off because it makes no sense to me. Like, what? Does it need to be there? I'm so confused. The other side doesn't have it. So I may take that off because I just don't understand. But yeah, but very cute belt. Do I think I'll get my money back on this box? I actually think I will at least break even because there are some really cute items. But would I purchase again from the Goodwill auction? I would, you know. They do have some shipping that's only like a cent, but you really have to be competitive and make sure that you estimate all those costs. So would I end up purchasing something from the Goodwill auction again? I probably will, but I'll be more picky with what I purchase and for how much it is. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do something with this. List these items in my closet, and that's all I have for right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.